Hello, good evening, guys. So today we'll be learning how to make this paper test effect right here using your smartphone. So you'll be learning how to make this design right there and this other one right here. You see some of this place is black and white, but this place is colored and they are in the same design. I believe me wondering how is it done? How is it done? How is it done? So we're going to be doing that quickly. So what we're going to be using to do this is Pixel Lab. Yeah, I know I designed with Canva, but then that design was made with Canva. So, but this test effect has to be done with Pixel Lab because it uses a feature called texture, and texture is not available on Canva for now. So what you want to do first of all is to bring in the design right that you have already created. So I'll go there's this better design I want to use. I'll just get that very quickly. Okay, so here's the design. So I bring it in. So when you bring it in, you want to make it full. So you go to relative size on your Pixel Lab, you increase it. So this is it. You can get Pixel Lab from Play Store. It's very easy. This is just a different version, but then all Pixel Lab can do the text effect. I mean the thumb paper effect. So when I bring this design, I lock it right here. So the next thing now is to bring in the thumb paper effect. I already have it downloaded on my phone. I'll be making it available. This you can just search for it. Thumb paper effect. You're going to see a lot of them. So but I'll be using this one right here. I'll also make it available as I've said. So they normally place it in the eye. I don't know why people place it in the eye, but then that's where they place it. So you can just do it like this right here. So you see that. Now after I've done it like this, I've placed it where I want to place it. So what you do now, I'll make this the design I brought it invisible, and I'll go to this area right here at the bottom and then make this transparent. Why I'm doing that is so when I save it, I'll save it. I can now bring it in to make the thumb paper effect that I want. You understand? So why I place it there so that when you bring it in and then you just place it and try to make it texture, it's not going to rhyme. Doing it like this makes it rhyme. You understand that now? So you save, just follow the process. I'm done saving now, right? So I will unlock, I will like open the eyes, and then this one I can just delete it. It's no longer needed. Then I'll go to my gallery, bring it in, go to images, Pixel Lab. So you see it's right here, the one that I've saved in that same format. You bring it in like this. You don't drag it with your hand because you want it to be perfectly synced with the birthday design or whatever design you're using. So I'll go to my exercise, bring it to 100, same way I've done here. And then I'll go to my texture. But then before I go to my texture, there's one thing I forgot to do. I'm just going to make this invisible. This text, the design right here, right? This design, I have to go to my color filter. Remember, it's black and white. We want it, right? So I'll bring down the saturation. So you see, it's black and white right here. So I'll save it. This is black and white image, and I'll be using as our texture later for that thumb paper effect. But just follow me. It's a simple procedure once you get the hang of it. So you bring in your normal text, your normal bed, you might design any design you're using. You save. You bring in your thumb paper effect, place it where you want to place it. You save all the thumb paper effect. Then you come and save a black and white design. So after I'm done saving it, I can revert it back to my normal design. So now I can make my thumb paper effect visible like this, and then since it's already saved to my phone, I can click on it, and then I'll go to texture. Where is my texture? And then I will bring in this black and white and click good. You see, so it's already showing. You can see that place is black and white line. So it rhymes exactly because I placed the thumb paper effect there and save it. So you just leave it like this, and then I'll go to my stroke. On my stroke, I can add it or I can reduce it. I want to reduce it with. So you see that now. So that's how you make the thumb paper effect. So I can now save it like this. Save it. Save to gallery. And there you have it. After it's done saving, that's how simple it is to make a thumb paper effect. It's actually very, very easy. I'll be doing another one so we'll get it correctly, because I feel like the process might be complicated for this first design. So I'll do another one again now. Okay, there you have it. This is the first one, right? This is how very easy it is. So let's do another one quickly. I'll go to my Pixel Lab again, and then I want to start from scratch again. So just run it in a way that you understand better. So this is right here. First thing you do is to bring in your design. So what design do you want black and white effect on? Just go get that design and bring it. So I'm using another design. Let me go to my PicArt. Which design do I want to use here? So let me use this one. You can use any design. I bring this design in, and then I make it. I go to relative size, increase it. This is done. I have this already. So what the next thing I want to do now to make it easier, I want to go make it black and white. You get it? I've made it black and white, and then I'm going to save it. So once I'm done saving it to my gallery, and then I'll bring in a tone paper effect. So it's saving. Wait for it to save. Okay, so the black and white is done saving in my phone. So I'll reverse it back. Then I'll bring in my tone paper effect. Go to my downloads, and I'll get it here. I'm doing it twice, so maybe if you didn't get the first one, you can get this one. Or reduce it, place it right here. So it's placed right, and then I'll make it invisible. Make the design invisible, make the background transparent, and then I save it like this also. Ultra is saved. So once it's saved, I can then open this. I'm deleting this because it's no longer needed. And then I'll bring it in, bring the one I've saved in. So the why is that? Why I save it so it's aligned exactly where I want it to be. So bring it here, and then I'll go to my texture, and then bring in the black and white one that I've already saved. You see, there we have it already. I want to enable this, and then I can go to my stroke, enable it. 2 is okay. So there you have it. That's how to make the tone paper effect. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. You can save, sure, but then I believe you understand how it works already.